Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So here's your friend Pashu and today we are back again with another video. So today we are going to do unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4. So as always, Apple has that clean white box, nothing else. So now let's see which config I got. So I got the Series 4 space gray aluminum case with black sports band, which is the one 44 mm. That's it. So Apple doesn't like us using the knife, so he always gives us a pull tab. That's nice. So let's remove this plastic. I really like the unboxing experience that the Apple gives. So here it is. It has some tabs over here. Okay, and that's how it opens. Wow. So here is the Apple Watch. Okay, let's keep it aside. Here is the band that you get over here, that which you order with, and here is the carton. It has all the different designs from the Apple. That's really a nice and creative touch. So let's keep this aside. First, let's have a look at the main box. So over here, nothing else on the back. That's it. Over here you get the watch face. So that's how you open it. Over here is your watch. On this side, designed by Apple in California. Focus, yes, thank you. So some instruction guidelines and that's it. Shitty paperwork as always. So this is how you get it. So over here is your charging brick. Over here you get the magnetic charging cradle, which I've already have it with the Apple Watch 3 series, which I'm already having and using it. So this is a nice felt case which you get. Over here backside you have 44 mm, which is written. Just push it. So let's keep all this aside. So here is your device. Now let's have a look at the band, sports band. That's it. So let's remove this. More paperwork. That's what you get it. So this you get it two types. One is with the small, over here it's written small to medium, and medium to large over here, which is over here. So now let's remove this. So let's keep this aside. Here is the pin covering. So this is how you put it. You'll have a small click kind of sound, which will make sure that your bands are perfectly fit. So now let's hold it. Over here, here is the button, here is your crown, here is a mic. On the back side you have the heart rate sensor and the ECG. That's the new feature that the Apple Watch Series 4 has it. And here are the speaker vents, which is comparatively bigger than the Apple Watch Series 3. So let me show it to you over here. So this is the difference between the new one and the old one. And here is the difference. As you guys can see, there is no mic the mic port in this side, and the speaker grills are also comparatively bigger, so which says that the watch will be having a larger volume. So now let's boot it up. So it's booting it up. So to pair it with a smartphone, you will need an Apple device, and you will also need this Apple Watch app. So as it always shows that Apple Watch, use iPhone to connect it. Continue. Now here you have to scan this thing. Continue. Now you have to scan this with it. That's it, it's connected. Your Apple Watch is paired. Left. Agree. So activating Apple Watch, this may take a few minutes. So let's wait till that time. Heart and health. Apple Watch can help you look after your health and your heart. So low heart notification it will send you, and high heart rate notification it will send you. Okay, so emergency SOS, that's the one more new feature. So right now it's setting up the basic, and it's syncing your smartphone and your smartwatch. That's the Apple Watch. This may take a couple of minutes. So it's ready, your watch is ready, and just press the digital crown to start. Okay, so now let's press this. So this has a lot of things going on the screen compared to what the Apple Watch 3 has it. So as you guys can see, this is the 3 and this is the 4 over here, and the screen size is also comparatively bigger, as this one is of 42 mm and this is of 44 mm, as the screen ratio has been increased. So this looks really nice as it has bezels and all. So you can make it out that the screen is comparatively smaller. So that's all guys for the unboxing and the overview of the Apple Watch Series 4. So see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned until then. Peace. Bye bye.